Let's talk about lean manufacturing using a factory that produces customizable furniture. Applying lean principles can transform your operations, boost your efficiency, and deliver more value to your customer. And that first principle is value, defining value solely from the customer's perspective. For the furniture business, the value is high quality, stylish pieces that are designed to customer specifications and delivered on time. Any activity not directly contributing to this is a non-value added waste. The next principle is the value stream, mapping and analyzing each step involved in taking a custom order and delivering the final product. Let's say an order for a custom entertainment center kicks off with an order entry, a design consultation, material procurement, cutting, assembly, finishing, quality checks, and finally shipping. Identify and remove any redundant or unnecessary steps throughout this process. Third, flow. Flow is about optimizing the value stream for continuous, uninterrupted movement. Arrange your workstations in a cellular layout that mimics the order flow. In this instance, you could have pre-cut materials ready to feed into the next part of assembly, which smoothly transitions to finishing. An important part of flow is to eliminate bottlenecks or inventory pileups between microprocesses. The fourth principle is to pull, which means you initiate production only when it is triggered by a customer order and not produced by forecast. You can implement a Kanban system where workstations can trigger upstream suppliers to let them know when cutting or material handling needs to occur with just the right components at just the right time for that next job. And that means there is no overproduction. And finally, fifth, perfection. And by perfection, we mean that lean is a continuous journey of improvement. Perhaps your design consultation needs to be streamlined so it better serves the customer. Or later on, you need to fix your warehouse layout to better implement a value stream across your entire production. The point is that you are relentlessly removing the successive layers of inefficiency until it gets better and better and better. Now, I should note that an important aspect of this entire process of perfection is finding the best tools for the job. And when it comes to managing your manufacturing, that inevitably means picking the right software. I'm going to put some links down in the description that can help you with just that. By embracing the 5 tenets of lean manufacturing, which again are value, value stream, flow, pull, and perfection, you'll transform your furniture factory or whatever your business is into a streamlined, waste-free operation that delivers maximum value to delighted customers. That's the powerful philosophy of lean manufacturing. Thanks.